everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So today is the 8th day in the question practice, and the question for today is that which of the following subcellular compartments have the same pH and the electrolyte composition, or the components which are likely to have the same pH and the electrolyte composition. You have 4 options for the same. The first option is cytosol and mitochondria. Second option is cytosol and endosomes. Third option is cytosol and intermembrane space of the mitochondria, and the fourth option is cytosol and inner membrane space of the mitochondria. Listen to the question very nicely. I have twisted out this particular question, and in examination as well you will find out that many a times only a single word is changed and it leads to marking the incorrect answer. So reading the question and listening to the question is again a very important task that you have to follow in the main examination as well. I'll be giving you tips for solving out questions, or the tips which could help you in the main examination as well in order to mark out the correct answers, so that you remember these tips and apply them in the examination, because answer solving is again a separate trick or a separate preparation which you need to focus upon. Hence, try to be very smart while reading the questions nicely. So this was about this particular question. You have the question and the options in front of you. Make sure you write down the answers in the comment section. The answer would be given to you on the Telegram channel. Search out the link for the same in the description box so that you can join there and get the answers for the same. So this was about this particular video. Thank you for watching. Good luck everyone. I'm trying to provide you as many questions as possible on daily basis. So make use of it, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.